Back to part 2, and I have been dipping my tool and just applying the paint. It's a new experience for me, and I don't know how well I'm doing at it. I'm definitely contemplating adding some more paint and definitely using a spatula. I've got bunches of bubbles that I can see. Time to use up my paint. Time to grab some some Aussie Floetrol with some Amsterdam black or white or some other paint in there. That's going in the bucket, I think. Now it's time to choose what I'm going to do in here. I think I'll throw everything that has paint on it into the bucket. So let's grab a little bit of dioxazine purple and some white and some black and a swipe card. And hope for the best. That to go over the edge. Now I'm just going to add some directly. First the white and the black. Thinking about some orange too. Kind of liking the gold behind. Covering my edge. I like that white. I'm surprised I like the white, honestly. Let's grab a little bit of orange so we can have some reflections from the sky. And some black. Pretty soon I'll be bringing some purple in, I can tell you now. I like the gaps, what can I say? It's maybe weird, but I really like, they look like highlights to me. It's different, alright, but that's okay. A little bit of everything. Maybe even some gold. How about... My paint pouring recipes are underneath the video. If you don't find what you're looking for, please just ask me. I want a whole bunch of Fandango. Kind of like these striped cliffs over here. I like to drag things back and forth. I don't want to make them too level. Never did put my trees in. I had trees planned. Alright, so it's a start. And it's a part 2, so Hopefully it's a little more than a start. I'm not minding the muck. After all, there is midnight shadow and black iris and things that were dark in there. And now I have structures. Which are kind of interesting. I'm wondering if I have a really small, grab some of that white. So glad I put that gold background in. Kind of wishing I had used a little blue somewhere. Now, if I can see where I put my little glove finger down, which I should have kept track of. No, all I've really got is a larger balloon, which is not going to work the same way, at least. Ah, I found it. Cool. All right, let's steal some paint. Trees are in a different spot entirely. That one's just way too dark. But I can always add color. There, I like trees. And I can pop bubbles with my little finger thing. I think I cut the thumb off. So I've got trees in two places. And now I just need to have access to, yes, a skewer. I can put a few more trees in the background with the paint I stole. They look good. I'm always surprised, always pleasantly surprised by how good trees that are just stylized look. I said that and I don't like one. Of course not. But I can distract the eye with more. Let's just switch ends. I like putting smaller dots in the background so it looks like they recede into the distance. I tend to want to believe I'm getting better at them. They don't actually all need... That's pretty cool. If I wanted to put some pink in my sky tomorrow, I certainly could. Where's my straw gone? Two points and some stripy stuff in the background. I'm going to probably use my leftover Floetrol cell activator. I'm going to pop a few bubbles too that I can see. And even though I could shimmer that at you, I'm not sure I should because it's looking pretty dark. I like putting something raised up on both sides. Move the mountain up. That's got to go. Probably be sorry I did some of those. I look back and I watch the videos and I'm like, why did I do that? But if I want to add something tomorrow, there's nothing to keep me from doing that. Yes, I'm using my fingers. Come on out. There we go. I really want some pink in my sky. I gotta get rid of this into the bucket. Not that it's hard to get anything off of there. I'm wondering if I want to put a little French silk. And grab a clean spatula. Wow, I used up a lot of spatulas today. I am going to put some of this right down here. Am I? Maybe I'm not. It's not usually much of a plug. That's pink diamond, and maybe I should cut it with some platinum rose, especially since it wants to come out. And while I'm at it, how about a little bit of Tuscan Sun with Orange Crush. I'm quiet because I'm focused. You guys know the routine. Or some of you do. Others are please be welcomed. I have new subscribers. It's exciting. Thank you so much for being here. I do sell my artwork. Not lately at any exhibition venues outdoors because the tornado took me out, but other than that, kind of wanted a purple cloud, but I don't think I'm too worried about it. I am going to use up the rest of my paint right there though. Hoping my glop is not so gloppy that I leave indelible lines. I like the purple mixing with the other colors I'm using that I hopefully told you most of. I really like that pink a lot. Don't mind if I do, sort of thing. Make the sky exactly how I want it. Better. Much happier with that. Beautiful. Try not to knock too much of anything else off. So that's it for me. And I'm not unhappy with that. I have little word spaces notwithstanding. I will be touching up my edge, and I might fill in a few gaps, but otherwise it's kind of cool. I like the weird stripes. I love you guys. I think I just said that. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching the videos longer and some of the commercials, and your comments keep my morale boosted, and I really appreciate your kind comments so much. I can't tell you. My Amazon link is a great place to shop, and it costs you nothing extra, and it helps me out. I really appreciate that too. Spring clothing, along with Le Gallerist, Society 6, Pixels.com, Fine Art America are all places you can find my designs posted. And if you can't find the design you're looking for posted, please just ask and I can post it. I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. I do sell my artwork, I mentioned that. My paint pouring recipes, I might have mentioned, are below. Show more underneath the video. What else can I say? I love you guys. You inspire the heck out of me. There's 2,400 videos available by going to my channel, searching for playlists, then all playlists, then creative playlists. Or just asking me, because I have all the links saved by topic and genre and by the 100, and it's not a problem for me to help you out. I'll answer questions if you've got them. If I don't know the answer, I'll let you know. And I post 7 days a week, right around noon at Eastern Standard Time right now. That could change, but for now it's noon. And anybody making a donation through PayPal would be extremely appreciated, because lots of people have dropped out since I stopped doing the drawing. But you would be eligible to request a 15-minute consultation with me if that would make you happy. And I am going to go ahead and shimmer at you anyway, because I think you won't be gone yet. So, oh, that sky is gorgeous. I'm so pleased. If I don't like the bottom, I'll fix it tomorrow. And I love you guys. Zoom right in on those two peaks. They're kind of weird. They might get adjustments. Rocky outcroppings. Oh, there's people climbing. Okay, you guys take care of each other, take care of yourselves. Bye for now. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. I'm not even sure which channel this will appear on, but probably I just changed the name to Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Priscilla Batzell. So, from there, I'll see you anon. Bye for now. Priscilla out.